I guess I will do it right now. I hope. Okay, so the camera angle is set. Last work. Last work. Okay, so I still doesn't have the reference, and I have little bit of orange and yellow. So orange, yellow, and brown. Maybe we can go with all these three colors: orange, yellow, brown. So I will just take some time over here. So I will apply the colors over here. Colors that I'm using is orange, yellow. So I just mixed up. Okay, though both colors are like yellow color is mixed up. Uh, burn number and white. It is white. Okay, my the brush is bad. Sorry. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm going to use. It is which color it is? First is Carmine yellow and yes, Carmine yellow, Carmine orange, burn umber, titanic white. So let's begin. So in this I will just take a little bit of time. Okay. No, I will do it. 10. I will try to complete it under 10 minutes, but I will just try to just make it little bit of. Okay, so let's start. I'm going. Okay, okay. So now I'm going. I just have to buy a new brush now. Hee hee hee. So orange for the second tone. Okay, lot of orange. Lot of orange. Lot of orange. Then I will go with a little bit of yellow. Uh, with one number. Okay. Okay, so or else no more lights coming now. Depth. No, I think I should put a little bit of red over here. Uh, but after all I said, I will not put red, so I don't want to. But after the work will be complete, I will just throw a little bit of red, and I will see that what I'm thinking will turn out. It will turn out like that only, or it is just my imagination working out. I have already worsened this work, and I'm doing it more and more. So you can congratulate me again that I have ruined my another work. But I will not say until unless I just did it entirely. After the last stroke, I will call it I have ruined this work or not. Till then, I will say it's going to be alright. Okay, so I messed up in here. So my brown color is finished. So I'm just using black instead of brown. And I just realized that my time is also over. I have extra used 1 minute. See, now I messed up. This happened when you get overconfidence after one work goes good. Okay, so now I'm not doing this work. I'm just putting the red tones I was thinking about. And okay, I just ruined this one. But I'm glad I did something new. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll show you the all works. So this is the fourth, the first, the second, and the third. I like this one, but still, it was the third. I was thinking this one will I will improve in this, but I did not. So disappointment. But still, it was fun, and I will love to do something like this again. Till then, I will say have a nice day.